Is your AirPods case refusing to charge, leaving you stranded without your tunes? Let's dive into how to fix this, starting with the basics, beginning with ensuring that your power source is the issue. First, make sure your wall outlet is working and not the reason for the issue. Next, try a different charging cable. Next, let's inspect the case itself. Dust, lint, or debris can build up in the charging port, preventing a solid connection. Grab a cotton swab or a soft brush and gently clean the charging port on your AirPods case. Be gentle, as forcing something into the port can cause damage. Ensure that the charging cable is properly seated in the case. You want to make sure that the cable is not loosely plugged in. Also, check your AirPods inside the case. Make sure that you see the charging indicator on the case. The green, yellow, or red light is displaying. If these basics don't solve the issue, let's try resetting your AirPods. Put your AirPods in the case, and then press and hold the setup button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds. You should see the light flash amber, then white. This resets your AirPods and often resolves charging glitches. Finally, if the issue persists, it's time to contact Apple support. They can provide more specialized solutions. These steps help keep your AirPods ready to go, so follow these steps for a fully charged audio experience.